Hello guys, your girl here is back with another video. It's Lady Vibrant. So much appreciation to the returning subscribers. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, put your post notification on so that you do not miss any other upload. So today's video is another unboxing. I did the previous one, the phone unboxing. So today I'm unboxing some vlogging equipment that I got, and I have actually been thinking content creation, just like any other thing or business, really need an investment. It's really an investment in terms of finances and time, because you have to be buying all these equipment, you have to be buying all this stuff, and then you have to put in the time to create and learn a whole lot of things. Like editing is one of the things that I am really learning. So we are going to figure out things on the go. I know usually it's said that the difficult thing is what has not been started, like a direct translation. Odoria moriton yorio tare mwabiriria. You get it? So we'll figure things as we go. I got some things. Actually, I picked this parcel this morning. I opened when I was at work, but it was just to pick through. I didn't have time to analyze, but I actually know what I ordered for. So let me show you what we got here. So here is a light. This is an LED light. The thing that made me think of getting this light is for when I need to create content on the go, when I am not in the house. I actually cannot carry the ring light. So I thought having a clip-on light would help. So here it is. It's a 48 LED. I actually don't know what that means. The 48 LED, I think it's the power, because when I was ordering there is one that was 72, but I chose the 48 budget wise. This is the USB cable to charge it. So I think it's not charged. I'm trying to press the power button. I guess it's not charged, so I will have it charged and see how it works. That's why I'm telling you, some of these things I'm just getting, and then we'll figure out how they work. So this is basically a phone holder. I already have one, like the one I'm using with the ring light. So this is another phone holder. This is to put on the tripod. Yep. So here let's see what we got. This is a mini tripod. So this, I guess this is going to come in handy also, like I said, when I need to create content while I'm not in the house, like outdoors or on the go. So I can actually even use it as a selfie stick. Yes, and okay, might not be a stabilizer, but would still work better than like holding the phone like this. Get it? Yeah. So this also, so I'll need, when I need to use it, I also attach the phone hold. I'll have to attach the phone holder to it also. Mini tripod. This one, I actually got 3 items. I guess this is just an accessory for it. This is the clip on for the light. Just an accessory. And we have this. So this is the tripod. Actually, this is, I'll need to carry this when I travel or when I need to be on the go. but I know it's going to come in handy when I'm creating content. Yeah, so I don't know, something has happened, my lighting has changed. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what has happened. So here is the tripod. I'm not going to show how it works or something, because I also don't know. It's something that I'm going to figure out also, but shouldn't be difficult. I think I'm just going to watch a video from the seller on their Instagram and see how to assemble this one. So yeah, those are the items that I got. Quite an investment, but I know it's going to be worth. Exactly. I don't know. You people tell me, if you allow me, I think I should give you a PayBill or my PayPal. You support this course with finances. It's not easy, but we'll make it, I believe. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next vlog. Actually, I have 2 trips planned in the coming weeks, so make sure to watch out for the vlogs for those trips. Yeah, I know this investment is going to be worth when it comes to vlogging for the trips that I have planned. So until next time, bye.